big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting.
What up, family? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be just a quick homemade video. I had to get this on camera because I had never ever had what they call crab CHILAU before. We got two nice little small buckets of crab claws. We had some spaghetti or some pasta noodles. We had a can or maybe two cans of just a can, not very expensive tomato paste sauce that you would use for spaghetti. Then we had a small can of tomato paste. Then we had some seasonings, some body, some garlic seasoning. The main ingredient really intrigued me was the Colt 45, the beer. I never had my pasta with beer. So it was pretty cool. As you see, we have a side of corn, 2 cans of that spaghetti sauce. Right now, she's just adding onions and with I think with olive oil and just make them translucent so you can put them into the sauce. And then of course you're gonna do the pasta. So this right here, she just added the crab meat with the onions. And of course the crab, so they're using like a ground beef or turkey or any other type of meat, just actually using crab. Normally what they would do, they go add, they go get like crab legs, you crack them open and you add them. This time around, this is just really quick. So just want to give you just a preview of what's going on. And of course it's just a home cooked meal. I just wanted to get it really quick on film, on camera. Because of course I want to recreate it at a later date, maybe with some different types of things with it. I thought it was pretty intriguing, and you guys enjoy it. You don't stir it, you want to keep things off the crab. They got a few shells in it, so go ahead and pick those shells out. Over the cans. Here's the sauce. Intriguing part, the Colt 45. Colt 45 is the flavor. What is it called? Shrimp pancake face?
Crab CHILAU.
Crab CHILAU? Sorry. I'm all over the place. Crab CHILAU?
Crab CHILAU.
Crab CHILAU. Crab CHILAU. Noodles in there, break them in half. Okay. sauce. You got seasoned salt and body, yeah. Paprika. Colt 45. Done?
No, you just let it dry out.
Okay, let the meat soak up the beer. The sauce continue to cook. And of course, you wait on your pasta. You got the tips.
Oh, we gotta put the tomato paste.
So I'm probably gonna add the tomato paste.
You don't put the tomato paste in until you put the meat in.
Okay, so you don't add the tomato paste, so you add the meat to the sauce. Alright guys, here we're going to add the crab and the beer to the tomato sauce. See, she just puts it in there and then just press around just a little bit. It's going to be all throughout, but then we're going to add the tomato paste. Add that. Add the whole can. Just gonna thicken up the sauce a bit, more flavor. Give you a little, not like a hard stir, but kind of let the meat stay intact as well too. Going, guys. Got the sauce going here. Gonna let it cook until it gets thick. About 25-30 minutes. Of course, the pasta's already ready, so just wait on the sauce. Very simple. Yeah, guys. What's about 45 minutes of simmering? The sauce has gotten thick. That's it.
I will see. Give me. I will see.
Hey guys, all ready. See how thick that sauce got.
I will see. Me too. My number, my iPad. Me too, my iPad. Where's my food? Look at that. Okay, give me the car. What's that?
Sauce.
Sauce? Yes. How? And cornbread. Papa.
That's more good.
Ooh.
Oh, I get it. This is good. This is good. Crab. Get the Colt 45. I'm just joking. That Colt 45 really can't tell it's in here. Crab CHILAU. It's really good. Normally I wouldn't cook with beer, but the lentil sauce is cooking. It got really thick. Crab works, the seasoning works. Then you got your pasta, cornbread, simple cornbread. This is actually jiffy. It works. Definitely works, guys. One more for the road. See you next video. Oh, like and subscribe. First time at the channel, please like, join the family. It's absolutely free, I promise. See you beautiful people next video. Peace.